Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record Webex meeting step by step clearly. To record a Webex meeting, first, launch the Webex application on your computer. Sign in with your account credentials. Join the meeting you want to record by clicking the relevant link or entering the meeting ID. Once in the meeting, verify that you have the necessary permissions to record. Only the host or co-host can initiate a recording. Locate the record button on the meeting control panel, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Click on the record button to start the recording process. You will see a notification indicating that the meeting is being recorded. Ensure that your microphone and speaker settings are correctly configured for optimal audio quality. During the meeting, you can pause or stop the recording as needed by clicking the respective buttons. To pause the recording, simply click on the pause button, and the recording will temporarily halt. When you're ready to resume, click the record button again. Once the meeting is over, click the stop button to end the recording. A prompt will appear confirming the recording has stopped. After stopping the recording, the file will be processed and saved to your computer. You may find the recorded meeting in the designated folder, typically labeled as Webex in your documents. Open the folder to access your recorded file, which is often in MP4 format. From there, you can play, share, or edit the recording as needed. And that's it, your Webex meeting is successfully recorded. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.